Hey, so let's be honest. Right now, you're sitting here on YouTube wasting time. Meanwhile, you don't know what people really think about you. You don't know what people say behind your back, and you have no idea what will happen next in your life. A week, a year, 10 years down the road. That's why it's urgent that you call 888-330-2905 or visit psychicsense.me to get a reading with a master psychic. Here's some more detail. Everything in life happens for a reason. There are no accidents. A psychic is a gifted person who can accurately predict your future. A psychic can plainly tell you what other people really think about you. A psychic can see the events of your future life coming from far away. But a psychic is not just a teller of fortunes. A psychic is someone who tells the truth, even if the truth is hard for you to hear. That's why instead of wasting time on YouTube, you need to pick up the phone and call 888-330-2905 or visit psychicsense.me. Get a psychic reading which will transform your life. It's only $1 per minute or get a full 15-minute reading for only $10. Let's explore a bit deeper. Certain people are born with a psychic talent. Scientists still don't know why it touches some and not others, but the power of the psychic is very real. Psychics have correctly predicted all of the following events: the marriage of Princess Diana, the marriage of Kate Middleton, the sinking of the Titanic, the moon landing, 9/11, and the election of President Barack Obama. But the power of the psychic doesn't stop with just predicting the future. The psychic brings you inside the minds and motivations of the people around you. As you know, people around you often hide their true feelings from you. Maybe they are angry, maybe they are jealous, maybe they hold a secret grudge against you. A talented psychic can look into the hearts of the people around you. A psychic can tell you what those people really think about you. Are you ready for that? Can you handle the truth? If so, get the answers you need now. Call 888-330-2905 or visit psychicsense.me and get a real reading with a master psychic. It's only $1 per minute or get a full 15-minute reading for only $10. Here is another useful way to understand the psychic phenomenon. Everything in this world happens for a reason. The workings of the universe are like a giant clock or machine or computer. You can look at the screen of the computer. You can use the keyboard or mouse of the computer. Usually the computer works as expected. But what can you do when something unexpected happens? What do you do if you can't figure out what's wrong with the computer? You call tech support. The psychic is the tech support for your life. A psychic shows you the future. A psychic tells you what people really think about you. To get started, call 888-330-2905 right now to get a reading with a master psychic. Again, that's 888-330-2905.